Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So, in this video, let's talk about how to fix why you can't send friend requests on Facebook. Now, for this one, I'm currently inside my Facebook account, and I already searched some results here. So, before I get back on searching, of course, let me just explain to you. So, if you can't add them, chances are there are two reasons. First is you are blocked, you cannot search them, or you cannot add them. They have blocked you on Facebook. Second, which is going to be the most likely, is that they have changed their settings into a much more complicated one. Let me explain here. So if I look Julie Skaggs here, again, this is just a random name. If I choose this one, as you can see, I cannot add her. I really even not can follow her. That means Julie here have her settings fixed. That means if we don't have anything in common, I cannot add her. I cannot even follow her. It's a different one or a different story for this one. That means even though we have nothing in common, I can still add her. Also, there's another option here where you can follow, but you cannot add. Same drill here, they have optimized their settings, wherein you cannot really communicate or connect with them if you have nothing in common. And now, if you want to check on your friends, of course, go here, the friends section, and you'll see all of your friend requests here. If you want to look for more, you can look for suggestions on this option right there. And basically, that's how it works. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.